This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is part 2 of formatting irregular numbers in Excel. In our example, we are reviewing data in a spreadsheet that was exported from a database. The invoice numbers are formatted incorrectly. The company uses the format of 2 numbers that may be zeros, a dash, and 3 numbers. You can create a custom format. First, select the appropriate cells. Click the dialog box launcher in the Numbers section on the Home tab. Click Custom in the Category section. When creating a custom format, 0 means a required digit in the number, while a hashtag or pound sign means a permitted digit if the number is large enough. In the Type field, type 0, 0 then a dash, and 3 more zeros. Click Enter on the keyboard. Notice the numbers have been reformatted with leading zeros and a dash between the second and third digit. Click on the cells with the invoice number. Notice the formula bar only displays the underlying data, not the changes in the format. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.